Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick chit chat get ready with me, even though this is a voiceover, so you know it's going to be something like that. It's a get ready with me. I'm getting ready to go see the Black Panthers, so just stay tuned for what I do. So the first two products that I use the Ordinary High Spreadability Primer, and then I use the Urban Decay Complexion Spray to start off, and now I'm just going to jump right into it and start using my NARS foundation. This is the newest foundation that they have, and my shade is in New Caledonia. And I'm just going to spread that all over my face with my e.l.f. brush. This is my favorite foundation at the moment. I do need to go ahead and just get the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and seal the deal with all of that. Now for brows, I'm going to move on to my Beauty Bakerie brownies. This is in a color dark brown, and I'm just going to go through this really quickly. It's nothing new, just, you know, filling them in, outlining them, and all of that. After I do my brows, I'm actually going to clean them up, but not with a concealer. I'm just going to use my same foundation shade and clean up my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to highlight with two concealers. I'm going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer and the color Deep Golden 60. And I'm also going to be using the Beauty Bakerie Cake Face Concealers, and my shade is Your Beautiful. Now for this, I like to layer my concealers, and I use two just because the Beauty Bakerie can be kind of stiff, so I go in with the first layer of Colourpop, and then I put the Beauty Bakerie on top of that, and this just makes it easier to blend. Since the Colourpop concealers are already kind of on the dry side, they work well hand in hand. Now for powder, I'm going to set my highlighter with the Beauty Bakerie Flower Powder in the shade Yellow. And I'm just going to go on all the highlighted points of my face and use that powder. And now that my face is set, I'm going to move on to my eyes. Today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. I'm going to list all of the shades that I use. I'm not going to really talk through this part. You can just see what I'm doing basically, and the shades that I do use will be listed in order that I use them. So now the eyes are done, the lashes are on. These are some Ardell Demi Wispies that I got from Marshall's. Now I'm going to spray my face again with the complexion spray. This just helps the powder set in and you don't have that powdery look to your face. Now I'm going to contour with the Fenty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. Now I'm just going to set my contour using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. Now I'm going to put on some liner and mascara. I don't use anything special when it comes to these, and as far as lip gloss goes, I just used a NYX liner and then I also used my Fenty lip gloss. So that is it for this quick get ready with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will talk to you guys later.